Okay, we're going to do a little demonstration today with a couple of examples because some of you are running into the problem that you have a recipe that serves a certain amount of people, but you either have more people coming to your party or you have less people coming to your party, and we told you could not have leftovers. So we're going to look at an example with whole numbers because, I don't know if you can read this, but our enduring understanding is that operation strategies used with fractions and decimals are similar to those used with whole numbers. So the first example will be with whole numbers, and then we'll look at one with fractions. We're not going to explain exactly how to do the problem, how to solve it. We're going to get you thinking and on the right track. So if this is, imagine with me that this is a bag of Skittles. Okay, each one of these tiles represents a Skittle. So I tell you that this bag of Skittles will serve 6 people. And I also tell you that there are 24 Skittles inside my bag. So I know it serves 6 people, but I want to find out, what does that mean? How much does each serving or each person get? So if I take my 24 Skittles and I said that they make 6 servings, so I'm going to divide them equally 6 ways. And you probably know the answer to this problem. 6. Okay, so I took my Skittles and I said that each, there were 6 servings, so each serving, I can see now, has 4 Skittles. Okay, what I would need to think about then is, what if I wanted 8 servings of Skittles? Okay, I already know what 1 serving is now, but I need 8 servings of Skittles. My bag originally only had 6 servings. So what would I need to add to that to make 8 total servings? Okay? And then now we're going to apply the same thinking, the same thought process to fractions and looking at our recipe and the measurements we have in our recipe.
Right, so this recipe is going to look very familiar. It's one that we're using for our grandma's Thanksgiving feast. And this might be a problem that you've come to. We have Mama's bacon and cheddar potatoes here, and we know that if I were to make this recipe, I would have enough bacon and cheddar potatoes to serve 10 people, to make 10 servings of bacon and cheddar potatoes. My problem comes up whenever I look at, let's look at the second ingredient. The second ingredient in my recipe calls for 1/4 cup of butter. So if this is 1/4 cup of butter, and I know that if I use all of the butter in this 1/4 cup, that I would be able to make 10 servings of Mama's bacon and cheddar potatoes, then I have a problem now. Because maybe now I need to figure out how to make 12 servings. Okay, so applying this same thought process here, if this 1/4 cup of butter makes 10 servings, how can I figure out what one individual serving of this 1/4 cup of butter is? Think about how Miss Minton applied numbers, whole number operation here. What did she do? Now I need to take this 1/4 cup of butter, figure out how to get to 1 serving, and then I would figure out, I would need to take that information and apply it to make 12 servings. Ms. Minton, do you have anything else to add?
That's it.
Okay, we hope, our goal was not to give you a strategy, but just to have you thinking about it. Remember, you can watch this video 2 or 3 or 4 times. Maybe watch the whole numbers again. Think about the vocabulary we were using, the questions we were posing, and the strategies that we were doing, and apply those to your fractions now. Let us know if you need a workshop, and we're happy to help you. Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.